How's it going, guys? Will Esgro here, web developer for the Xmage Players MTG group. I've been asked to do a brief tutorial on how to edit your first article and any article thereafter. What you're looking at on the screen today right now is what it's going to look like when you go ahead and try to write your first article. Really basics. Your title will go here. The body of the article will be written here. Now, make sure you understand it'll be pretty much written in plain text. Some formatting that it'll appear on this screen won't actually be the way it looks when you publish it. So on the bottom, if we go all the way to the bottom here, you'll see some formatting. But what I really want to focus on with you guys is the right side of the screen, the publish function. So this screen, when you are writing, you'll have two options as a contributor. You'll have pending review or draft. Save it as a draft until you are 100% satisfied with your article. If you are not satisfied with your article, save it as a draft until you are 100% satisfied. If you are satisfied with your article, go to the drop-down menu and then set it for pending review. That review will go to the admins, site mods, and editors on the site, and we will then just comb over it, make sure the proper formatting is done. We want all of our articles to be similar. The voice that you use as an author, we want to be unique, but we want the text to look the same. We'd like some of the images to look the same, but yeah, honestly, until you're ready for us to push it forward, keep saving it as a draft. And then as soon as we see it marked as awaiting review or pending review, we will then review it. And once it's reviewed and everybody agrees it's good to go, we will then push it out to the website and publish it. As you're writing and once you're done with your article, you want it in standard format on the right here. The categories, it's really going to be whatever it pertains to. You could set all these, and then as we look at it later, we'll choose if it's in the right categories. But by you setting those to begin with, it would actually be helpful for us, because then we can actually narrow it down and make sure we want that on those areas of the site. The final thing you'll have to know is the featured image. So in this situation, I set the featured image, but you can actually click on the image itself, and we have files in the media library. You as a contributor may not have the ability to upload files. If you don't, please get in touch with one of us, the admins or myself, and we will get that image up for you, because we do want something flashy to sort of draw people to your article on the web page, as it will sort of stand out as the first thing they see, that image behind the title of your article. Once you do have the image set, you just click on Set Featured Image, and that's pretty much it. The advanced coding, if you guys have any questions specific to the way you want to do things, for right now, if you want to, you could just put the links to the items you want embedded and just say embed item here, and then the editor or myself will go in and change that on the site for you. The document before it's published, that is. And same thing with deck lists. I ask that if you do have a deck list, you put it up in this format. You could just put the title of the deck list on top and then enter, as you see here. Obviously, this is missing artifacts and enchantments, but you get the gist of what we're talking about. Separate each of the aspects of the deck out, and then put in the amount of cards. That will allow us to just go in and put in the coding. I mean, I'll show you. It's honestly just the D title equals, and then the title of your deck. Style is going to be embedded, and that makes it pretty, so you see the deck in line and the little card preview on the right-hand side. And then finally, you end it with a end code. This is what's called short code on WordPress. So the D starts the code, that starts the block of code, and then whatever modifiers are included there. And then that's the end of the D code. Deck code. Yeah, the other little things too that a lot of you have already done is when you see a title of a card, just highlight it and click the M button, and that will mark it as a Magic card, and it will automatically go into a connected program we have that links that card in your text. So when somebody just mouses over it while they're reading the article, it'll show the picture of that card with the full description. I believe that's it. If you guys have any further questions, you can reach out to myself, Dave, or Lance. Dave and Lance are both very busy individuals, as am I. But we will, one of the three of us will try to get with you guys to help you out. But thank you very much for being a member of our community, and we are really excited about the content you guys can produce for us. So you guys have a wonderful night, and good luck.